How to add dietary requirements to Eventbrite. Eventbrite is an online platform used for creating, managing, and promoting events. To add dietary requirements, first log in to your Eventbrite account and navigate to the Manage Events section. And open your event. Click on Event Question. You can add your requirement questions in this page. Click on Add Questions to add dietary requirements. If you want to add question for adult, click here. Do you have dietary requirements? Select the option you need in the checkboxes. You can view all the answers provided by the purchaser on the sales list page by clicking on the order number. You can also download a list of all the answers through a report. That's it. Thanks for watching.